Customers are raving about the BaBylissPRO StyleSwitch multi-styler for its versatility and professional results. Many reviewers say it's like having a salon in your bathroom. Kathleen M. called it the best multi-tool I've ever used, praising how it replaces multiple styling tools and delivers amazing results across drying, curling, and straightening. Another user, Lynn, highlighted how she used every attachment in a single blow-dry, saving both time and space. Plus, she loved the travel case that keeps everything organized. People also appreciate its dual voltage feature, making it ideal for international travel. One reviewer mentioned it worked flawlessly abroad, while another said it's become their go-to for quick, frizz-free styles without damaging their hair. For those with thick or curly hair, the diffuser and round brush attachments really stand out. One customer with 3C curls said it gave her a smooth blowout with less damage than high-heat dryers, and she noticed her hair felt softer afterward. Busy parents also praise how fast it works. One mom with long, thick hair said it actually made her look forward to styling again. Of course, not every review is perfect. Some users felt certain attachments didn't add much compared to their older brushes, and one even returned it because the price felt too high for the results. But the overwhelming majority say it's a game-changing styling tool that saves time, reduces clutter, and delivers professional results at home. In short, customers agree. If you want versatility, convenience, and salon-worthy results, the BaBylissPRO StyleSwitch Multi-Styler is well worth the investment.